Hi everyone, it's Sam from Made by Erlent. So I say finally, I ordered this last week, but I just got my parcel delivered from Sewfisticated Supplies. This is my big order. I thought it was 7.5 kilos, but the box actually says 8 kilos. So this is a huge order. This is the first time I've done such a big order because Sewfisticated Supplies has recently been able to negotiate some better postage rates. And part of that means that before we were stuck with maximum 5 kilo packages, and now we're able to go into much bigger parcels and the prices are heaps cheaper. So I want to say I've gone overboard, but I really haven't, because I genuinely have used up most of my Vibrant Voo, which is what I use for all of my lining fabrics, because I like that it's waterproof. So here I am doing an unboxing with you guys. I'm super excited about this. If you hear any crinkly noises in the background, that is my 2-year-old. She is, I don't know what she's doing right now, to be honest, but she's here. So let's get this parcel open. So I'm really excited about this. So Jassie's not super happy, to be honest. So these parcels, so I ordered, I think last Tuesday, and today's Thursday in Australia. So it's just over a week, but a lot of it was my fault. So they attempted delivery on Tuesday, but I wasn't home. So they wouldn't leave it, I guess, because it's such a massive parcel. Like, obviously this cost a fair bit of money. So maybe that's why, but they didn't leave it. And then otherwise it would have been delivered on Tuesday, which would have been a week, which to me is really good. I mean, I guess in Australia we're used to bad postage, so maybe that's why I think it's really good. But it's been in Australia since last Thursday, so it literally took like a day to get from Jassie to Singapore airport to Sydney airport to clearing customs, and 2 days. Like, that is insane. Anyway, so I have my order. I have my cheat sheet of things that I've ordered, because I'm really bad at remembering all the colors. But all up, if I remember correctly, I have 54 items in this box. So first of all, I have some of these. I don't know if I've shown these to you guys, actually. I love this. So these are some of the custom prints. This is the Sewfisticated Deluxe. So it's like a super lightweight. It like doesn't crinkle when you fold it. So I love using these for Jassie's like snap and fold, the snap and, I can't talk today. All of her like expandable collections, and the duffel and the tote. So these are what I like to do. So Savannah, what are you doing up there? Give me 2 seconds, because apparently my 2-year-old is climbing the piano. Okay, I got the 2-year-old back. So this is the Sewfisticated Deluxe. I'm super excited about this. I bought these because I want to make some more of the totes, the Snap and Go totes. Okay. And then I've got my Vibrant Voo. This is Vibrant Voo in eggplant, I want to say. I want to just tilt this whole box and show you. Like, it's literally jam-packed full. Like, this whole thing is full. She normally ships it like this. That's why I've automatically, like, folded it. So, obviously, in order to get as much in as possible, she's had to unfold her lovely folds. This is twill. This is twill in the royal blue. I should know that, because I didn't order enough of this, and then I had to do a second order. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's another Vibrant Voo. This must be the baby blue Vibrant Voo. I am obsessed with Vibrant Voo at the moment. Yes, Missy Moo. Vibrant Voo, it's waterproof. What I love about it is, you see, like, it's really nicely textured. It's absolutely gorgeous. But I love that it's waterproof and it's not super thick and gross. It comes in so many colors. So, like, I love it for all my custom makes, because then I can tell all my customers that everything I do is waterproof. I only use waterproof, you know, top of the line products. Some more twill in, this one is twill in baby blue. I want to say. I don't know why I thought I could tell you guys all the colors, because I am so bad with colors that there is no way I know all of them off by heart. Yep, baby blue twill. So I've got a couple of baby blue twills. I've got a lot of sky blue twill as well in my cupboard at the moment. Oh, this one's a new one. I don't think I have this one. This is twill in the cream. So I've noticed that. So that's crying. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, we had an accident. She's fine now. Just a little 4. She's got snakes. She's happy. Okay. Yeah. So twill. What I was saying was I didn't used to get a lot of colors. When they first were released, I got a couple in blue, a couple in purple, whatever. And I've recently started just ordering literally every single color Jassy has. Because I found the more colors I have, the more customers I have, because I'm able to offer them more options. And that's one of the things I really love. It's like I literally have, I'll clean up my cupboard and then I'll probably post a pic at some point. But I've got literally every color, can't talk. And it's so pretty and it's so cool to be able to like say to a client who's like, oh, I like blue. Okay, I have 20 blues. Which blue do you like? Ooh. Anyway, this is the Barbie pink in the twill. I love this one. The color's not showing up as well on the camera that I can see, but it's like that super pretty, literally Barbie pink. I love this. So obviously got a few of it. There's my cat walking past me in the background. So I don't even know how many I've ordered, to be honest. 5? It looks like, maybe. I got a lot of Barbie pink, it looks like. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. 4, not 5. We're okay. I haven't gone overboard. This is a color that, like, I don't know at what point I suddenly fell in love with, but I absolutely love, and it's the one that I use the most of. It's the bronze. So this is the bronze and the sophisticated twill. It goes really well with browns, creams, golds, black I've used it with. I've done a fair few peonies with this and I absolutely love it. It's just like that little bit, it's got like a tiny bit of like shimmery to it. So it looks really expensive. I really love it. So I've got another 2 more of these. This is Rust, which I don't think I've had before. So it's kind of like an orangey reddy color. That was one thing that I was really surprised by. I'm not a huge orange person, but the minute I started stocking orange, gone. Everyone seems to like orange for some reason. All of a sudden, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Vibrant Vu. So this is a Vibrant Vu. The reason I can tell Vibrant Vu and twill so quickly, by the way, hand feels different, but of course, the texture. So I think this is probably the sea mist, I want to say, or sea foam, sorry, sea foam. Yep. This is one of my favorite colors. It's super pretty, but looking at the baby blue now, I'm really loving that baby blue too. So who knows? I might have a favorite again, a new favorite, which happens every time I put an order in. I just somehow, yep, there's a few sea foams. I somehow like fall in love with the new color. I'm sure this is beige. Yep, this is the beige. So the beige, again, like I was saying, I'm finding like I'm suddenly drawn to a few more like more neutral colors lately. So that's what I've been trying to fill up. I'm coming over to Mama Moo. You can come help me. And then, oh, careful. We've got, this is the, I'm sure this is the cherry, no, bubblegum. This one's bubblegum. So bubblegum to me is a little bit, it's like a brighter pink. So that's the Barbie against the bubblegum, to give you a good idea. I like having the 2 of these together if I wanted to do like a little bit of a contrast, but still have the same color. I find that really fun to do. So again, a few of the bubblegum and then violet. I used to be in love with the violet twill. So obviously violet, Vibrant Vu, also a love for me. I'm about to do another Travelnizer that has asked for violet twill, I think we're going to go with, but I might see if I can sneak in some violet Vibrant Vu in there. Yeah, Mama Cuddle. This is Poseidon. So Poseidon's a really fun color. I really like this. Depending on what you pair it with, it kind of goes like a blue or a green. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. I love this one. So often Jassy posts something that she's made, or Nikki, if you've seen Nikki, one of the other mods for Sewfisticated, she loves Poseidon and she uses it a lot. And every time she posts a Poseidon, I'm like, oh my God, I love that. What color is it? It's Poseidon, Sam. Oh, of course it is. So I bought some more Poseidon because hopefully if I have more Poseidon, I will actually realize what it is when I see it in the real world.
Mama, look, over there.
Yeah, what's over there? You go show me? You go get it? And then I've had to top up on my 3D mesh. Oh, you found more twill. Savannah's found more twill. So I've had to top up on 3D air mesh. I've gotten 5 colors of extra air, oh, not air mesh, sorry, just as normal mesh. So just normal mesh. So I've got the rose, which is the pinky one, obviously a black in there, royal blue, navy blue, yes, Panda, and yellow. I just had to get the yellow. It's just so bright. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I needed it. And this is the thing that Savannah brought over, so obviously I had a little bit of yellow twill hiding here. This is the lemonade in Vibrant Vu. Again, I have a few of it. This is a long video. I didn't take into account how much stuff is actually in an 8 kilo box of fabric. I need a second pile because this is piling over Savannah's head, isn't it? Can we even see you anymore, Banner? Yeah. And this one here is the cherry blossom. So the cherry blossom to me is, I'll put it up against the Barbie again just to give you an idea. It's like that little bit darker pink. It's absolutely gorgeous as well. To me, it's like, I like to call it a little bit more like of a sophisticated pink. Like it's just that little bit more depth, I think. That's another one of it. I think this is the Admiral, if I'm remembering this right. I don't have one right now. You have to wait, Panda Mimu. Oh no, sorry, this is dark grey. This is a new one again. So I've not had dark grey before. So I had this inside the box. The next thing down was a blue. So like in the box, it had like a bluish tinge because it was next to the blue. But now that it's out, it's very obviously grey. So this is the dark grey. So one of the reasons why I had to get such a big box is because I ordered a lot of 3D air mesh. Sorry, like I said, blue. This is the last blue thing in here, which is Azura. Am I saying that right? I don't know. Azura. So this is the blue that I seem to be gravitating towards the most when I've been grabbing Vibrant Vu from my shelves. So that's Azura. And yeah, so like I was saying, the reason I had to get such a big box is because I've bought 3D air mesh, a fair bit of it. So air mesh, if you are ordering air mesh, you will notice that your postage would be higher. Even though it's very lightweight, it's super bulky. So I don't know if the US is as bad as Australia, but Australia, if you're doing bulky, we get the volumetric weight. So that's what's adding to it. So this is the 3D air mesh. I use it for, if you're watching my videos, I use it for laptop bags, for the linings, for the laptop sleeve. I use it as backpack backing, the strap backings. I use it, I've lost track. Oh, the back of a backpack so that it, you know, comes off your back a little bit more so it's a little bit airier. So I do use it for a fair few things, but I've not really, she wants to sit down here. Here you go. But I've not really stocked a lot of colors in the past. But now that shipping is down, it's literally down by half for those who don't realize it. So my 5 kilo boxes, I used to save up to buy 5 kilos at a time because it made postage overall cheaper, if that makes sense. So my 5 kilo boxes from a month ago cost more than what a 10 kilo box would cost me to ship now. And the price difference between like a 7 kilo, a 7.5 kilo, and an 8 kilo isn't as drastic as what it was. So it's making it like really exciting for me to order these kind of like bulkier things. So this is the 3D air mesh in khaki. So I've ordered the khaki because it kind of reminded me of the bronze. So that's the bronze twill against the khaki. Go. And then I've got, also have the air mesh in grey. I really like the grey. I've worked with the black a fair bit, but I actually prefer the grey a little bit more compared to the black. I just think it's not quite as like dark, I guess. Yeah, dark. That just seems such a silly thing to say. This is the lavender, because of course I work with a lot of purple, as you probably could have guessed by my order. I couldn't say no to this. This is the wine. It just looked so pretty. It's actually gorgeous in person too. It's such a really pretty deep color. I actually really love this. So I'm gonna have to try and pull out some things to work out what I can do with that color. And then this is the baby blue. Yep, baby blue. So absolutely beautiful. Again, matches with all the blues. I also got some foam. Oh, not that much foam this time. If you saw my other package, which was actually one that I ordered after this one but got delivered first, I ordered some foam in that one too. So this one, there's not actually that much. It was just to top up the postage. I wanted to make sure I maximized my postage. So I've got a 1.5. So this is all the Sewfisticated, so all the adhesive foam. So this is the light. Jassie's been putting letters on it, numbers on the back that tell you the weight or the thickness, sorry, so that you know when you grab it which one's which. Make it nice and easy. Yep, so light. I think this is light as well. Oh yeah, right there, light and light. So 4 bundles of light. And then, oh, this is what I'm super excited for. These are the new releases that Jassie just did. The checker vinyl. So I don't know why I'm filming this right now. I'm just too excited to open this, to be honest. So this is the checkered vinyl. She sent me some to test before, obviously, which is amazing. But I've gotten a few different colors now. So this is really pretty. Oh my God, what am I going to do with this one? This is lilac. It's super pretty. It's nice and light and pretty and purple. So I don't know if you can see. That's the lavender vibrant blue. Against that, it's super pretty. That's going to be really, really pretty. Oh. Oh, I think I know what I'm going to do with this one. Let me see. Oh, I'll see. It'll be a surprise. Anyway, I've got an idea in my head, okay, guys? And then I've got this one, which is, I think, oh, this is the green. I've been on a green binge lately. I never would have said that I'm a green person, but like, if you've seen my handbag, I've got the Sewfisticated Belle as my handbag. That's green. A lot of my shirts at the moment are green too. Green. There you go. See, maybe I am secretly in love with green and I didn't realize. But that's the green checkered. It's absolutely stunning. What I like about it, so I sewed with some of the testing one before. There's no stretch to it. And the color's obviously beautiful. It's such a beautiful pattern. But it's super easy to sew with. It's, yeah, it was just a beautiful vinyl to sew with. And then this is the last one I got, which is the mint. Oh, it's like pistachio-y. Oh, now I don't know what to do. I thought I was going to use this one next, but now I'm thinking, oh, can I do both? Oh, maybe I can do both. Look at that. Oh, maybe I don't know. Okay, I'm going to have to think about this. Sorry, I got excited. Secrets. Nothing's being told here. Or maybe, I don't know. Okay, cool. Yep, so that's my order. Let me see if I'm going to move my phone. So, oh, that's my hand. So, oh, this is what 8 kilos of Sewfisticated Supplies looks like. Let me the camera. Here we go. That is 8 kilos of Sewfisticated Supplies. So I'm super excited. Absolutely love my order again. So I'm going to go back to mumming because I think this little one is probably bored now of my video. Are you bored, Banner? No. You like being on camera? Yeah. Okay. Thanks for joining me in my unboxing. It's Sam from Made by Erilyn. I'll see you guys next time.